Hello friend, welcome back. We have added some amazing features in TestCase Studio Pro based on our users' feedback. These features will help you to make or help you to use TestCase Studio Pro more easy and convenient, and you can record the things according to your requirement. So the very first one is download multiple test cases in separate seed. So as you know that you can record multiple test cases in TestCase Studio Pro. So like this is the first test case. When you perform the recording here in TestCase Studio Pro, so you will observe that like whatever steps you will be performing, that will be recording here in TestCase Studio Pro, but that will be like one test case. Okay, and after that when you click on here save and continue and you start recording a new test case, like for an example, if I take this one here, this demo website, so here we did perform couple of steps. Okay, so this is another test case, this is first test case. Now when you download this test case, so it used to get downloaded in like one sheet, and there will be like one file and one sheet. Inside that all test cases get downloaded like inside one sheet only, separated by one line. So you can see that this is first test case, and then there is a one separate line and then another test case. But what if like you want all these like test cases in separate sheet, right? So now you can do that, like multiple test cases, like this is second test case, this is first test case, and we want that both the test cases should get downloaded in separate sheet. So here under customize, go to customize, and you have an option here, download setting, multiple sheets. So you can click here, check here, and now if you go back and let me okay, test case 1, test case 2, if you want you can rename the test case name as well. So here both the test cases are there, both are checked, and we want to download both. So this feature will be available with Excel, for Excel. So now if you click on download here, this will get downloaded in separate sheet, like both the test cases will get downloaded in separate sheet. So you can see that test case 1 and test case 2. So this is how you can download both the like all the test cases. If you have 10-20 test cases recorded here, then in that case if you want to download them, all of them in one file but separate sheet, then you can do that, and the sheet name will be same as the test case name. Here you can also change this test case name as per your requirement, like if you want to make a demo or whatever, then if you click on download, then it will download in separate sheet. But CSV, PDF, doc, this will still download in one file only, one sheet only, because CSV, as soon as you make that like multiple sheet through code, that will become like Excel only. So this feature will be available with Excel. If you want all the test cases in separate sheet inside one file, in that case please download in Excel, and from here you will have to check this. If you uncheck this, keep it unchecked, because by default it will be coming unchecked. So if you will keep that unchecked, and then if you will download, it will download all of them in single file, in single sheet. Of course file will always be one only, but it will be in one sheet. And if you don't want like this data, your OS version, your browser version details in your sheet here, like in the top you can see that there is a row. If you don't want this, you can keep it off, and then it will not download that. So the new feature is that now you can download in separate sheet. This is the like feature requested by one of our users. So I hope it will help all of you, and thanks to them like for suggesting this feature. If you ever face any challenge, we have already attached the tutorial with this feature, so you can always refer it. Okay, another one is screen recording size control. So earlier when you used to do the recording of a screen here, when you click on screen recording, start recording, it used to record, like when you select this, it used to record with high quality video, and which used to consume a lot of space. Like let's say you have recorded for 5 minutes, 10 minutes video, then it will consume a lot of space. But now we have added a feature here. So let me first stop this, go to customize. Here you have this video quality control. Now you can control the resolution, or you can say the quality of video. So here you can choose low or medium as per your requirement, and then the resolution of the video will go down. Of course the quality will go down, and that's where it will take the less space in your system when you will download the file. So this will also help you guys to like optimize the space, so you can control the quality. Another one is control reload refresh action. This is also a great feature. Earlier we used to have the like scroll event, shift event, arrow key. So if you see that here, if we scroll the page, it will record the scroll event. You see that it will record scroll down. But if you uncheck this and go back here, now if we do scroll up or down anything, now it will not record the scroll. You see that only that step back. Similarly, there was another action, like if we reload this page, so it will record reload action here like this. But what if like we don't want to record this reload or refresh? So now we have added this shortcut for reload as well. Now if you don't want to record this reload or refresh page, then uncheck this, and now if you go back here and you perform any like reload action or refresh page, then it will not record that. You can see that this is the only one. So this is another setting we have provided under customization. We also optimize the recording steps. This is another suggested features, or you can say the like kind of like improvement in the steps recording here. So like for an example, if I show you guys like this, let me just uncheck this so we will have a better visibility of these steps. Go back. So here you see that like if we click here on like let's say we click on 1 or we click on mail, so you will see that we are selecting this mail radio button and this 1 value, but earlier it used to record like year of experience and sex like in place of whatever placeholder or whatever label was there. It should have recorded like better thing. It will be like if it will say that click on mail, click on 1, right? So now it will record that only, whatever value you are clicking. So you can see that click on 1, click on mail. So it will work accordingly as per your requirement now. So wherever you are clicking, if there will be value, it will the label name will be the value. So you can see that click on manual testers. Here we click. If we click on automation tester, it will say click on automation tester. It will not say this thing, click on profession. Earlier it used to say like profession or like that, but now it has been fixed. So all these features will be available with version 2.1.9 onwards. You guys can update TestCase Studio Pro. It is very simple to update TestCase Studio Pro. If you click on the version number here, it will open like this. You click on update and it will update TestCase Studio Pro. After once you update, please restart your browser and then it will be work flawlessly. If you face any challenge, if you have any feedback, feel free to let us know. We will be more than happy to help you guys. If you want, you can raise a ticket here as well, or you can just drop an email to us on support@selectorshub.com if you have any feature request, any improvement you need on any of our tool, not just TestCase Studio Pro. With that, thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.